Hey everyone, this is a quick video of what I did today at my boss's house. This is her dining room table. I believe it seats 18 people. I added garland from Hobby Lobby, napkins from Hobby Lobby. The pumpkins are from a little bit of everywhere. I added some twinkle lights. Super cute. I'd love to have a big family like this to see everyone. Quick overview. This is the 12-foot Christmas tree that we decorate for each season. This is summer and spring. So I took off all the lights, as you can see here, most of the ornaments. I strung lights that did not twinkle. I didn't realize my boss didn't like twinkle lights. So I took off all the lights, put on new lights. Here they are with the lights. Here's with the mesh butterflies throughout. Added some ribbon. The tree isn't on here, so it doesn't look as good. But anyways, I love the ribbon. I love the neutrals. A little bit of gold. And then I added all the fall flowers, pumpkins, ting, a little bit of greenery. It took me about 4.5 hours to do this. And that was like not stopping, like working my butt off. Anyways, it turned out beautiful. It's actually more beautiful in person. It doesn't video as well as it looks in person. Anyways, have a great day. I'll see you soon.